The air feels cold, she's on her own. Nobody sees her move around. She's taking the early morning train, and as she waits for a whistle blow, you see her smile, you see her smile again. I wonder if she's gonna stay away for long. I wonder why. Now she's gone. The distant calls, the thousand lights, secretly watching her display.